Alright guys, I'm here in Las Vegas, just driving around. This video I'm just gonna drive up the strip. I happen to be changing hotels today and I need to drive up the strip anyway, so I had to kill some time because I checked out and had to check back into a new hotel. So I decided to just record this strip here. This is the main strip. I'll be recording 5K. Just kind of experimenting with that. I don't think too many people watch videos in 5K anyways. And probably in a couple blocks is kind of like the main area of Las Vegas Strip. If you guys really like, I could drive around Las Vegas, not on the Strip, but the thing is, after you leave this one street here, everything looks like any other American city, so there's really nothing exciting to see here except for the Strip. Once you leave the Strip, it looks just like other U.S. cities, except you'll see some casinos here and there and stuff like that. But it's nothing too fancy. What I like about today is it's really nice weather. It's probably about 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Where I'm at in Sacramento is probably in the 40s. Reno is probably really cold right now. So, very nice sunny day. I think it's back in Sacramento is where I live, and I think it's probably raining, I think. And I have to say, this is actually low season, so even if there wasn't this COVID thing going on, it would be kind of slow. Not too much going on. And I would say this trip, it's definitely not as fun as I would say this trip's definitely not as fun as normal because not as many people. I'm getting tired of wearing a mask. Leave the hotel room, put a mask on, sometimes forget. Just kind of sucks. And if everybody's wearing masks, people don't really just kind of randomly talk to you as much. This is starting right here. This is where I would start. If I was new to Las Vegas and I wanted to take a walk, I would start right here. This is Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana. That's the MGM on the right, New York on the left. I usually stay in this area a few days at least, then walk around. And what I like to do is I get another hotel towards Fremont Street. Today, I've already been here like 2 weeks. Today I'm changing hotels again. I'm going to stay in the middle. This will be the first time I'm staying in the middle. I usually stay north or south. This time I'll be staying in the middle. I'm going to try the Tropicana Hotel. Like this area here, I've made a couple videos already. One of them I need to upload, but I've walked up and down this area so many times. So my plan is I will get a hotel a little further north. I believe that's north. This is north. Maybe I'm wrong. But I want to get a hotel a little further down so I see some more stuff I haven't seen before. All right, to my left is the area. Got the Bellagio and the Paris coming up. Trump Hotel is straight ahead. There's Bally's on the right. believe the Venetian's around here somewhere. Dre's nightclub there. On the left, we got Bellagio, and pretty soon it'll be the Caesars. Now, this is generally as far as I walk. If I stay by Tropicana Avenue, I usually don't walk any more than this because I have to walk back. It's kind of far. So my hotel will be a few more blocks up, and I'll stay a couple days. I might extend for a couple more. My family's not doing Christmas this year on the 25th. They're going to meet some on the 27th, and the rest of my family will see them on January 1st, so I don't really have a reason to be home on Christmas, but I probably will be home on Christmas anyways. Thought about going to Reno a couple of days, but the weather sucks there, I think. Alright, so on the left is Caesar's Palace. I actually walked this far last time. I was really tired that day. I walked all the way up and down, took videos with. I have another camera. I haven't uploaded a YouTube video with it yet. It's a Sony A7S III. It's like really expensive, but I'm just kind of playing around with it for my own fun. All right, so up ahead, you'll see the Treasure Island. That's where I'm gonna stay tonight. I've never stayed there. Don't know. I usually stay the same places because I know where to park. I know where everything's at. I know where to check in. Treasure Island, I never stayed there, so I don't know where to park. I don't know where to check in. That's usually a little stressful. It's a little after 2 p.m., so I could probably check in now. I'm just going to drive up to the, maybe drive another 5 minutes, then I'll turn back. Driving my noisy diesel car. Thinking about buying an SUV. I want for 4x4 though. I want to start like driving through the desert in the middle of nowhere. Sometime I don't know why, but I think I will need a 4x4, and I think I will be buying one. It's getting rid of this car. I've had this car for a really long time. I only keep this car because I get like 45, sometimes on the highway I can get like 50 miles per hour per gallon. Now normally when I do like a drive around video, which I haven't done a long time, I usually play the radio, but this year YouTube has gotten really strict on music. I've made my own videos for me and my friends that I don't put on YouTube. Well, I put on a different YouTube channel, and it had music, and it wouldn't even let me show anybody. Nobody could even watch. It was just blocked. And sometimes when you put music in your videos, you can keep the video, but you won't make any money. Some songs, they split the money with you. So if you have a YouTube video and it has that song in it, they get some money, you get some money from your YouTube video. But most of the time when you have music in your videos, the people that own the songs, they make money and you will get zero. And I really haven't seen it. It's kind of hard to get like a copyright strike. But there is a lot of you're just not going to make no money. my noisy car. Traffic kind of sucks on the street right now. I've been getting almost every red light. All right, so you can see the Strat up ahead, Sahara, Circus on the left. This area right here is kind of boring right here, this little area around here. If you keep going and going, you'll get up to Fremont Street. There's some lower price partying up there. I'll just drive a few more minutes this way, then I'll head to my new hotel. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead head to my hotel. It's asking me to go left. I could take the freeway, which is faster, but I think I'll stay on the small roads. All right, so I'm using the back streets, which I'm totally not familiar with. See, once you leave that strip, it looks it looks like everything else. It doesn't look special at all. Need a couple inches. Looks like I'm getting to a sketch area. Oh, the sun. I generally do my best to avoid videoing against the sun. So some people ask me why do my videos look good. It's one reason is you try not to video against the sun. So right now the video probably looks pretty bad. Yeah, so this street is only 1 block away from the main strip. And as you can see, it doesn't look like it's anything special. You might see a casino here or there on these kind of streets, but not too much else. When I talk to the locals, what they'll do is some of them like to drive 4x4s and go out in the desert or the mountains and stuff like that around here when they're not working. I imagine if you lived here, you'd probably get tired of seeing the Las Vegas Strip every day, so you have to find something else to do.